cruise control retrofits for a BMW F Series vehicle. As you can see, this particular car doesn't have the cruise control stalks on the left hand side. It actually has factory blanks. What we do is remove and replace them with a factory BMW item. So these are genuine BMW parts. They're not an aftermarket unit. The reason we do this is because it doesn't affect any of your vehicle's warranty. Once we fitted them and coded them, they will act exactly the same, and we offer this for both M Sport and non-M Sport cars. You do get the limiter function with these as well. Just to make things clear, this does not allow the car to track the vehicle in front. That is for a vehicle with radar fitted. These are slightly different, and they will maintain a speed even if you're descending, say, down a hill. All we now do is code the car up to accept its new equipment. Once we've now done that, this will function like a vehicle that actually left the production line with this option fitted. There is no difference between a car that we've retrofitted and one that come with it from the factory. We are based in Reading, Berkshire. This is not a service that we offer remotely. We can, however, complete this conversion within a working day. Visit our website at bmwspecialistreading.co.uk or give us a call on 01189 583481.